Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create unmodified map in Dart programming language. For that, I create here unmodified map.dart. I say void main here. I generate the map here. So I say map or I say data equal to unmodifiable map view, and here I am passing a value. So I say at one place, I say it is 1. At two place, I say it is 2. So at 3 place, I say it is 3. Value may be anything. I'm just giving an example here. Then I say print data like this. Run this. I say dart run this one. Simple one, no problem at all. But if I want to add more element in this, so I say I add all, and here I put 4 to 4. Now if I run this, we have an error. You can't modify. Suppose if I want to change the value, I say I want to change the index number 1 not to this. I want to say one value like this I want to do. So once again I try to run, and you see we have an error. That means we cannot modify once we slice this value. Remember that? So it is a map but unmodifiable, means you cannot modify. Unmodifiable map view is just only for static constant value you can't change. So in sometime in a program we require such kind of value that we cannot change. So on that time you can use this to create unmodified map view in your program. I think you understand now how to use collections in Dart. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.